Hi, welcome to the Wild Gut Project. My name is Carrie. This is all about being vegan on a low FODMAP diet for irritable bowel syndrome. This week I've got a recipe for you, and because of things, I don't have my proper camera with me, so I've had to improvise on my iPhone, and it looks like this. It's all cracked because I dropped it recently, which is very annoying. But yeah, this is a really simple pasta recipe that I've been making a lot recently actually, and it's very enjoyable. You can bulk cook it, it's pretty cheap and very simple, so enjoy. So I'm going to start by chopping some capers, olives and spring onion greens to make about 4 portions, and I'm going to be sauteing those spring onion greens just for a minute or two, and then I'm going to add in the olives and the capers, again frying those for a minute or two. Meanwhile, I'm going to be putting on some buckwheat pasta to boil as per instructions, and I got this from Tesco's, which is a new line and low FODMAP. So yeah, salt and water, standard. And then I'm going to get some canned green lentils and give them a good rinse, and take about 1 cup worth to add in. And then I'm going to add about 2 cups worth of tomato passata. So this is a kind of vegan low FODMAP version of a Puttanesca pasta sauce. I'm adding a bit of basil there, and untraditionally I'm adding in a large carrot that I've chopped up just because I wanted there to be more vegetables in it basically, and some water just to help those cook and simmer down. When it's done, I'm going to be adding in a dash of soy sauce just to give it a little bit more of that umami flavour, and I've written up the recipe in my website, so I'll link that down below in the description. And I'm sectioning off 4 portions. I'm going to add 1 in with the pasta. I'm serving it with a dash of garlic infused olive oil because I haven't used any garlic, and then a little sprinkle of yeast flakes because you can't have pasta without it. And then I'm serving it with some rocket leaves. And there you go. I've been told Puttanesca means whore or slut pasta, so there's interesting histories behind it and it's quite refuted, so I recommend Wikipediaing it. But yeah, I've been making this a lot. It's really simple, quick and delicious. And I'd love to know if you give it a go, and I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next Sunday with another one. Bye!